Top 7 ice cream flavors in America. 1. Vanilla. Vanilla has consistently been one of the most popular ice cream flavors in the United States. Its simple and versatile taste makes it a classic choice that pairs well with various toppings and desserts. 2. Chocolate. Another timeless favorite, chocolate ice cream appeals to a broad range of taste preferences. Whether it's a rich and creamy chocolate or a decadent dark chocolate, this flavor is a top contender. 3. Butter pecan. Butter pecan ice cream is a delightful combination of buttery and nutty flavors, often mixed with roasted pecans. Its unique taste has earned it a dedicated fan base. 4. Strawberry. Strawberry ice cream, made with real strawberries or strawberry flavorings, is a fruity and refreshing choice loved by many. 5. Mint chocolate chip. This flavor offers a refreshing blend of mint with chocolate chips mixed throughout, providing a cool and enjoyable treat. 6. Cookies and cream. Featuring pieces of chocolate sandwich cookies in a creamy vanilla base, cookies and cream ice cream is a popular and indulgent choice. 7. Chocolate chip cookie dough. This flavor combines vanilla ice cream with chunks of raw cookie dough, making it a popular option for those who enjoy the taste of unbaked cookies. It's important to note that ice cream preferences can vary by region and may change over time due to new flavor introductions and evolving consumer tastes. For the most up-to-date information on popular ice cream flavors in America, I recommend checking recent market research and surveys.